Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Let's read it first. If the original 24 meter its length x of a cube decreases at the rate of 5 meter per minute, when x is equal to 3 meter, at what rate does the cube's A surface area change, B volume change? Okay, let's start with problem A first. We need to find out the surface area. Okay, what is the formula of a surface area of a cube? Okay, let's denote it as A here. And in a cube, we have 6 faces, right? And each face is a square. So we will have 6 faces here. And each face is a square with an edge of x, right? So we'll have 6 multiplied by x multiplied by x. Or we can rewrite this as A is equal to 6x squared. However, the question is asking us about what rate does the cube surface area change. At what rate, meaning that it is the derivative of this A with respect to time. So I will have dA over dt. However, in the right hand side, we only have this with x variable. So we will have dA over dx here. But we need to make it over dt. So I multiply this by dx over dt. In this way, this dx will cancel out and we get dA over dt. Okay. And here we can have this one, dA over dt. And dA over dx is just the derivative of this with respect to x. So we can just use the power rule to get 12x here. 12x, and then we will have dx over dt. And we have the final formula for the rate of surface area change. dA dt is equal to 12x dx dt. And then we need to find out when x is equal to 3 meter. Okay, so we'll have when x is equal to 3 meter. And also we have another numerical values here. Decreases at the rate of 5 meter per minute. That means that our dx over dt is equal to 5 meter per minute. However, it is decreasing, so I have negative sign here. Good. Now what we need to do is just plug in the numerical values. So we'll have dA over dt here when x is equal to 3 meter. So when is like this, the symbol of when, and then x is equal to 3 meter. Okay, we will have this one, 12. And then x here is 3 meter. So we put 3 here. And then we will have minus 5 here. Or 12 times 3 is 36. And it still need to be multiplied by minus 5. And so we will have minus, I think we will have 180. How about the unit? This is the surface area, right? And the x is in meter, so I will have meter squared. And dt is the time, and this time is in minutes. So I'll have meter squared per minute. So the answer for the question A here, at what rate does the cube surface area change? I will have minus 180 meter squared per minute. The minus sign meaning that the cube is shrinking. Okay, and that is the answer for question A. Let's answer question B. Let's start all over again. Okay, now let's do that for question B. And we need to find out the rate of change of the volume. But let's find out the formula for volume first. What is the formula for volume? Remember that the volume is width times length times height. Okay, and in this case, we have a cube, and all of that is x. So we'll have x times x times x. So the volume here is x cubed. But we need to find out the rate of change, right? So the rate of change What is the rate of change? It is the derivative of this volume over time. However, on the right hand side, we have only x variables here. So let's derive that with respect to x first, dv dx. But then we will have dx dt here to get it as dv dt. Okay. And then we will have dv dt here. And this can be calculated using power rule, right? So we'll have 3x squared and then multiplied by dx dt. And we can just plug in the numerical values of this one here. So when x is equal to 3 meter, and then we can also have dx dt here. Dx dt is equal to minus 5 meter per minute. Okay, so we will have dx dv dt when x is equal to 3, and we will have 3 multiplied by 3 squared and then multiplied by minus 5. So we will have 3 multiplied by 3 squared is 9 and then minus 5. Or we can have that will be 27 times minus 5, and that will be minus 135. How about the unit? Because x is in meter, we will have meter cube, right, as the volume, and the time is in minutes. So I'll have meter cube in per minute. And the minus sign means that the cube is shrinking, right, because the volume is decreasing. And we will have this one here as minus 135 meter cube per minute. And I think that's all for this problem. Let me know if I made any mistakes during my calculation. Hopefully I did not. But if I did, let me know in the comments here. And then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Got any question? Send me your problem into this email here, rdSatria11@gmail.com. Okay, I think that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.